music, boy. Have you got any soca in your music?
Brown girl, you sweet like a sugar. Sheila, you're nice like a money. I take a walk go out the street late last night. I tell a girl how they do. I was standing outside my gate one day. I hear someone say, "Are you?" But when I take a look at this same brown girl, who me tell this sweet how they do. It was so, girl, I saw what to be must be. Now when I call around, I'm in big backyard. Man, the girl I watch that. So when I call around, I'm sitting up. There the girl, she was shocked. But when I call around, I'm in big bedroom. Man, you shoulda did that. If I so brown girl nice, like a pound of rice. Brown girl, I want you squeeze me nice. Sheila, I want you do it right. So I change my mind from brown girl Monday morning. I take one with all fingernails. She couldn't peel banana, she couldn't spread my bed. She couldn't even cook bread or pot. All she do is stay home all day and ramp with Mr. Safan. If I so, girl I saw what to be must do. Every day I try to do my best, but the girl couldn't satisfy. Every night she tried to